Ahead of your session. Find your session under the Upcoming or Ongoing tab in My Schedule and click on Lead or Present to enter. Use the Add Content button and select File from the drop-down menu to import a PowerPoint file or an Agenda Builder file. Your slides will appear under a New Content tab. Use Add Content options to add other items such as downloadable files, URLs, or YouTube videos. These will be found in the Agenda tab. When you are finished adding content, use the Exit button in the upper right corner to exit the session. Just prior to joining your scheduled session, plug in your headset or speakers and microphone and log in to eClasses. Find the correct session and click Lead or Present. You will be in pre-session until you click Start to begin. While in pre-session, begin by clicking on the Adjust Audio square and follow the on-screen instructions.
Welcome to the Centra Audio Wizard. This wizard will guide you through a few steps to tune your audio for best playback and...
Testing, testing, testing. Click on the Test Video square to adjust your webcam settings. Resize the Saba window so that the full icons are visible along the top toolbar. Select a slide or whiteboard, but do not begin the session when prompted, in order to make adjustments to your markup tools ahead of the session. For example, you may wish to select a pencil color for your drawings and text, and you should also choose a larger font for text boxes. To begin your session, click on Start in the upper toolbar. Confirm that In Session is indicated in the lower left corner. Recording begins automatically. Click on your microphone and ask participants for a green check if they can hear you. Enable participant microphones by hovering over the people icon and selecting All Microphones On. Open an agenda item by clicking below a Content tab and selecting a slide. Use the icons to the left of your slides to add markups. You may need to click on the markup icon beside the video button to access these markup tools. Periodically scan the left side window to monitor participant feedback, including text chat activity. This does get easier with practice. When your session is finished, click on the Exit icon in the top right corner. Select Publish Now if you wish to save the recording and make it available as a playback for participants. For more details, or to print out the steps covered in this video, see the Training Resources page at teachonline.ca.